Hey science lovers, it's Becky with Lab Rat Academy, and I have a beautiful flower right here, and I thought it is so amazing how plants put so much energy into creating flower because these are the reproductive structures of a plant. So the first thing they do is these things need to attract pollinators so that they can transfer the genetic information from this flower to another plant's flower. So they have aroma, they have color, they have nectar, and they have pollen that attract pollinators. You can see on the outside here, we have something that has green little parts right here, and these are called sepals. And those sepals are what protect the baby flower bud. I'm gonna pull these sepals off so I can show you what's next. So here's 1, 2, and 3. The next thing we have are these 3 petals. And you'll notice on these petals that they have these lines on them. These are called nectar guides, and they lead the pollinator down into the nectary. So if you pull that off, you can see deep down inside is the nectary right on that part right there. So I have 2 of those, and then I have one more piece that does not have a nectary on it, which is that one. So we have the male and the female parts of my flower laid out on this tray right here. And so the parts that I want to show you first are these. This right here is a stamen. The stamen is the male part and has one long filament right here. And this filament holds up this pollen packet right here. This has the pollen on it, which is half of the genetic information to be able to make a seed. So there are 6 of those on this right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and one more, 6. And then what I have left is this beautiful structure right here. This is the female part, and she is called the pistil. And you'll notice right up here we have the sticky stigma, and then we have the style right here, and it goes down to the ovary, and inside of the ovary we have ovules, which are considered to be the eggs, which are also half of the genetic information to make a flower. So what happens is that pollen from another flower will come and it will touch this right here, the sticky stigma, and then this sticky stigma will send down a pollen tube down this style right here, down, and send that genetic information, that DNA, into one of these ovules. So I'm going to open up these ovules right here and we'll see what's on the inside. So inside here we have lots of teeny tiny little ovules that are half of the genetic information to be able to make a seed. So I'm going to go ahead and pull these out here. You can see some of them on the tip of my probe right here. Those tiny little ovules are half of the genetic information to be able to make a seed. The other half comes from the pollen up there. Wow, science is so amazing. I hope you guys have a beautiful day. God bless. Bye-bye.